This is why you should clean your sewing machine in between each project, because it gets pretty gnarly in here. Like, really bad. And I didn't clean it out after doing something for Christmas. Oh my goodness, all that lint buildup. And I saw someone on YouTube, I think it was Icy Stars Quilting, she used mascara wands that she bought on Amazon to clean her sewing machine, and they weren't great, but I think I'm going to have to go get a second one, because I really should have cleaned this after doing all those Christmas presents for teachers. Look in the feet dogs. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. You would think I hadn't cleaned this. I cleaned this before Christmas.